Hello, welcome to the Lawrenceburg Public Library. I am Miss Megan. I'm so happy that you can join us for story time today. Today we are going to wrap up our alphabet series. We are ending on letter L. L. Yay! Can you say L? L. Good job. Okay, before we do anything else, we have to shake our sillies out. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. We gotta shake, shake, shake our sillies out. Shake, shake, shake our sillies out. Shake, shake, shake our sillies out and wiggle our waggles away. We gotta clap, clap, clap our crazies out. Clap, clap, clap our crazies out. Clap, clap, clap our crazies out and wiggle our waggles away. We gotta jump, jump, jump our jiggles out. Jump, jump, jump our jiggles out. Jump, jump, jump our jiggles out and wiggle our waggles away. We gotta yawn, yawn, yawn our sleepies out. Yawn, yawn, yawn our sleepies out. Yawn, yawn, yawn our sleepies out and wiggle our waggles away. We gotta shake, shake, shake our sillies out. Shake, shake, shake our sillies out. Shake, shake, shake our sillies out and wiggle our waggles away. Hey! Great job, everyone! Great job! Okay, like I said, today we are doing letter L. And who else to better help us with a letter than our old friend, the alphabet monster! Ah! Alphabet monster, what do you eat? I eat letters! Alphabet monster eats letters! Alphabet monster is the perfect person to help us with our letters. Okay, are you ready? Can you remember how the rhyme goes? I'm the alphabet monster. There's nothing I like better than the alphabet monster eating a letter. Are you ready? Here we go. Here's letter L. I'm the alphabet monster, and nothing tastes better to the alphabet monster than eating a letter. Today I will eat an L, if I may. With the million more letters I munch every day. Ah! Oh my gosh, the alphabet monster ate letter L! Ah! I'm feeling hungry. What shall I do? I think I'll start with a Y. O-U. That means you. Great job, everyone. Alphabet Monster's not really going to eat you. Alphabet Monster's all talk. She just likes to pretend to eat you. Okay, great job, guys. Great job! Let's talk more about letter L. Can you draw letter L with me with your fingers? Follow along with me. Here's how it goes. You start by going down like this. And then you go, I should have done this. I should have done it the other way. I'm right-handed. Then you go over. This is big L. Can you go down, over? Good job. Letter L is very easy. Now let's do little L because all letters have two forms. This is big L. What's little L? It's gonna be smaller. Here's little L. Here it goes. This one's very easy. You just go, boop. That's little L. It's just one line. Big L and little L. Good job. What sound does letter L make? Ooh, the word letter starts with L. Here's the word letter. Letter starts with letter L. Letter. Can you say letter? Good job! What other words start with L? Can you think of any? Letter, lion, laughing! So many words start with letter L. But a very A very important letter, a very important word that starts with letter L is lion. Rah! Lion. Our first story today is how to be a lion. This story is about a lion named Leonard. His name starts with letter L too. So here we go. How to be a lion. Are you ready? Some say there is only one way to be a lion. They say lions are fierce. If they catch you, they will chomp you. Crunch, 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 chomp. And so there's the mouse running away from the lion. They say a lion can't be gentle. Well, they haven't met Leonard. Leonard loves to walk by himself, feeling the sun warm his back and the grass under his paws. Some days Leonard walks to his thinking hill. Sometimes he thinks important thoughts. Sometimes he just daydreams. Somewhere in between, he hums quietly and plays with words, putting them together this way and that, making them into poems. Some say, wait, lions are not gentle. Lions do not write poems. And if a lion met a duck, bad luck for the duck. Crunch, crunch, chomp. But if Leonard met a duck, what do you think he would do? Hello, said Leonard. I'm Leonard. Hello, said the duck. I am Marianne. I'm writing a poem, said Leonard, but I'm stuck. Will you help me? You're in luck, said Marianne. I am a poetic duck. Together they played with Leonard's poem until the words came unstuck. Leonard and Marianne found that they liked each other. Under the sun in the long grass, they laid together, they played together, they went for walks and had long, meandering conversations. And at night, they watched for shooting stars and made wishes if they saw them. Do you think that the universe has edges? Quacked Marianne. If it doesn't, said Leonard, will we fall out? Together, they were happy, and they wished for nothing more than this. One day, a pack of fierce lions came prowling around. What's going on here? They growled. Why hasn't this duck been chomped? This duck is Marianne, said Leonard. She's my friend, and nobody will chomp her. The fierce lions came closer. We heard you're gentle. We heard you make up poems, but not chomping a duck. You've gone too far, the fierce lions growled and roared. There is only one way to be a lion. Leonard, you must be fierce. Must I be fierce? Said Leonard. Must I change? They're wrong, quacked Marianne, and we will show them why. Leonard and Marianne went to their thinking hill, and after a while, Leonard hummed a serious hum. Can you hum a serious hum? An idea started to form. Marianne quacked a serious quack. Can you quack a serious quack? Quack, quack. Quack, quack. The idea grew. They put their words together like this and like that, building it into a poem, and it made sense. That made sense of what they thought. Finally, they were ready. Leonard took a deep breath. He went to his lion, the lions that were prowling, and he said his poem. I'll say this quietly. I needn't roar to be heard. I can be a friend to a bee or a bird. You said I must change. I must chomp Marianne, but chomping your friends is a terrible plan. Let nobody say just one way is true. There are so many ways that you can be you. If there must be a must, then this we must try. Why don't you be you and I will be I? Some say words can't change the world, but Leonard says if they make you think, maybe they can. Do you think that changed the lion's mind? Is there just one way to be a lion? They're still friends, right? I don't think so. What do you think? The end! And there they are, they're friends at the very end on their thinking hill. Great job, everyone, good job! There are so many ways that you can be you. There are so many ways that I can be me. And that's how Leonard is gonna be a lion. There are many ways to be a lion. Okay, everyone, great job! Okay, are you ready to do a lion hunt? Are you ready for a lion hunt? Have you done, we're going on a bear hunt, going on a bear hunt? It's like that, but this time we're gonna go on a lion hunt! Are you ready? I'm gonna say it and then you can say it after me. Are you ready? Here we go. We're going on a lion hunt, going on a lion hunt. We're gonna catch a big one, gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. What a beautiful day! What a beautiful day! Oh no! Tall grass. Can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go around it. We have to go through it. Swish, 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 swish. Okay, now we're through the tall grass. Now, let's keep going. We're going on a lion hunt, going on a lion hunt. We're gonna catch a big one, gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared, I'm not scared. What a beautiful day, what a beautiful day. Oh no, a river. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go around it. We have to go through it. Splash, 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 splash through the river. We made it through the river. Okay, we're going on a lion hunt, going on a lion hunt. Gonna catch a big one, gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared, I'm not scared. What a beautiful day! What a beautiful day! Oh no! A swamp! A swamp! We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go around it. We have to go through it. Squelch, 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 squelch. Oh no, we're all muddy now, but we made it through the swamp. Okay, going on a lion hunt, going on a lion hunt. We're gonna catch a big one, gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared, I'm not scared. What a beautiful day, what a beautiful day. Now we made it to a cave. What's inside the cave? Are you ready? Tiptoe in the cave. What's in the cave? It's a lion! Ah! Run away, run away! Back through the swamp! Squelch, 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 squelch! Back over the river! Splash, 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 splash! Through the tall grass! Swish, 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 swish! And now we're home safe! Woo! Great job! We made it home safe, everyone! Wow! Good job! We had a crazy journey. Why did we even go on a lion hunt in the first place? That's crazy! It's a lion! Whew, let's not do that again. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, guys. You ready for our next story? It's called Sunflower Lion. This lion looks like a sunflower. And the sunflower looks like the sun. Let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. Chapter 1. This book has chapters, but they're not long, so don't worry. Chapter 1. This is the sun. Can you see it? The sun is in the sky. It is shining. It is as bright as a flower. Chapter 2. This is a flower. Can you see it? The flower is growing. It is growing on the hill. It looks like a little lion. Chapter 3. This is a lion. Can you see him? Yes. The lion is running up the hill where the flower is. He smells the flower. Smell the flower. He warms himself in the sun. That's the lion, the flower, the sun. Chapter 4. The lion sleeps. He dreams. He is in a field of flowers. The flowers are as big as the sun. The flowers are cookies. Oh, that's right. He's dreaming in a dream. The lion eats them all. When he wakes up, remember he's sleeping. When he wakes up, he is hungry. Chapter 5. The lion runs home. Can you see him? No, you can't. He's running too fast. Chapter 6. Now the lion is home. He has had his supper and he is asleep with his family. He is happy. Can you see him? Yes, you can. The end. Great job, guys. Great job. The lion had quite the adventure. He went to a hill, he dreamed about flowers, and then he went home, and he looks like a flower too. Okay, everyone. All right, thank you so much for story time today, for coming to story time today. It was a pleasure doing story time with you today. Thank you so much. Before we do our goodbye song, I have to show you our super cool lion craft. We have a craft where you can make your very own lion. L for lion. L for lion. This looks a little bit like sunflower lion, right? They both look like sunflowers a little bit, right? You can make your very own sunflower lion with your craft pack from the library. You can come to the library and get one at the main library or at the North Dearborn Library while supplies last, because they are not in infinite supply, but while supplies last, you can come get them for free. Okay, thank you so much for joining us. It's time for our goodbye song. Are you ready? Are you ready to say goodbye? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Okay, now sing really quiet. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Now sing really, 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 really loud. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you so much for coming. See you next time.